Identify the contrapositive of the conditional statement. So if I am hungry, then I look for something to eat. So we want to write the contrapositive. So I'm going to identify first the hypothesis, P, that comes after the word if. So if I'm hungry, this is my hypothesis. After the word then is my conclusion. I'll represent that with Q. So I have a conditional of the form if P, then Q. And in notational form, that would be P implies Q. So if I want to do the contrapositive, you have to do two things. You're going to do the converse and the inverse combined. So if I did the converse, that means I have to switch the hypothesis with the conclusion, and I get this format. And then if I apply the inverse to this, I would get not Q implies not P. So the contrapositive of this conditional statement would be this one here. So you're basically applying two things. You're doing the converse and the inverse combined. Alright, so now I have a new format. This is my new conditional of if not Q and comma. So if not Q, then not P. So now I just take what I identified as P and Q. I'm going to substitute them in place of these. And remember, not Q means you're going to negate each one. So if not Q, so it'd be if Q was I look for something to eat. So the negation of Q would be I did not look for something to eat. So if I did not look for something to eat. So if I did not look for something to eat, that's the negation of Q. Then the negation of P would be I am not hungry. So if I did not look for something to eat, then I am not hungry. So that's the contrapositive. You take your conditional, you switch the hypothesis with the conclusion, and then you do the negation of each one, and that will give you your new conditional statement, which is if I did not look for something to eat, then I am not hungry.